Hello everyone, this is Solvebase and you're learning how to turn yourself into an AI baby video. And that's it. Alright, so in order to make this type of viral AI baby video that you see all over the internet, what you need is these two tools. The first one is ChatGPT and the other one is Hedra AI, which is hedra.com. Go over to ChatGPT first, and over here you need to give it an image. I've given it my image that you can do so by clicking on this button, the plus icon, and then add photos and files from here. Once you've done that, it's going to add on here. And then you need to type in this prompt, which is turn this person into a baby, which is going to turn this image into this image, which is a baby face. And then you can download this to your computer by clicking on this button, or you can also right click it and save image as. Then you can save it to your computer like that as well. Now go over to hedra.com. Over here, you need to log in and sign up. Once you've done that, press on the start frame and upload an image. Then find that image and insert it to Hedra. Next to this, we've got audio script. You can click on this to upload your own audio. You'll see these three options. You can click on this to upload your own audio, which you have recorded on your computer. You can just click here and upload it. There's record audio, so you can record it in real time. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's generate speech. So I'm going to click on here. You can choose a voice. These are all the AI voices that they currently have. Take a listen to it.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how.
All right, I also have made my own clones inside it. So Hedra allows you to make your own AI voice clones. So you can do that as well. I'm going to show you one of them. So here, test longer. And if you want to create your own AI voice clone, you can just click on this button and create your own AI voice clone from here. Just type in something and let's click on generate audio. It's going to take in 1 credit.
Hi, this is Solvebase.
Now, I'm not sure if this is a clone of my voice, but it's up to you to decide. Let me know in the comments. You can delete the audio. You can download the audio to your computer by clicking on this button, or you can add it to the video, which we are going to do for this one. Now, next up, I can record my own audio as well, which I've done here. So just click on it and you can start recording the audio by clicking on this button. And once you've done that, once you've recorded it, just click on this again. And that's it. Now you can trim it if you want by clicking on the edges and drag it to the left or right. You can replace it, and by replacing it, which basically means that you can record it again. Here, the free users can only try 20 seconds of the audio, so you cannot record more than that. There's also remove background noise. In case your microphone is picking up background noise in your environment, you can click on this to remove it with AI. There's also AI voice changer, so you can change it with the AI voice that you've got. And then you can add it to the video. So once you've done that, it's going to show up like this. On the left of this, you can type a prompt here in the prompt bar. It's up to you, it's optional. It's just if you want to add emotions and gestures to your character. But in my case, I think it's not needed. You can just avoid it. On the top, there's this Hedra Character 3. You can change the AI model from here. Only this is available. Otherwise, you need to take the premium plan in order to use the other ones. Aspect ratio, you can change it from 9:16 to 16:9 and 1:1 ratio. On the right of this, you've got 720p. You can change the resolution. You cannot go above 720. But of course, there are some options out there that can allow you to upscale your video. I'm going to put a link in the description for the other options so you can check it out. And next to this, we have got duration, which is auto. You cannot change it. Once you're done with this, just click on this button over here, and it's going to take in 5 credits. This depends on how many seconds it has to generate. For us, I have just made a small script, and that's why it's taking in 5 credits. But over here on the top, it took almost 60 credits because it was a bigger generation. So here I've already done it, and you can delete this from here. You can download this to your computer, and let's take a look at the video. Hello everyone, this is Solvebase and you're learning how to turn yourself into an AI baby video. And that's it. All right, that looks really nice. And that's it. That's how to make a viral AI baby video with these two tools. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more AI tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.